is a Tom, talking Tom. One is a fish. Oh! Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my new video, and here is many colorful of animals and toys. So let's go for collecting. There is the first one is a yellow color. Hey. I collecting this yellow, and there is the another one. Oh. This one is the blue. And here is the another one is orange color. There is the another big one is the pink color. Hey. And here is the another one is a very nice green color. And here is the another is pink also. There is the another one is the orange color I collecting. And there is the another one is the blue.
Amazing.
Ho. And this is a green. Ha. Oh, there is the another one is very nice and beautiful color. Oh, this one is a yellow one. And here is the 1 and 2. Two green color animal in this bucket. So guys, here is all animal collecting in my bucket. Let's go for cleaning.
Amazing.
So guys, here is my cleaning water, and here is my all of animals. So that is the first one I cleaning. Oh, this one is a rooster. Collecting this rooster here. And next one. Oh, this one is a very nice and beautiful horse.
And the filly went on a walk one day, but the horse was so in love. He told her that he loved her. The filly was so
Collecting this horse here. Next one. Oh, this one is a shark. Collecting this shark here also. And here is the another one. Oh, this one is a cow.
amazing.
Collecting this cow here also. Next one. Oh, this one is a scorpion.
Bunch of crazy scorpions. Anyway, as you may or may not have noticed, during the day we hide under stones or rocks.
I collecting this scorpion outside. Next one. Oh, this one is a Tom, talking Tom. I'm collecting this talking Tom outside also. And that is the next one. Oh, this one is a fish.
Amazing.
Oh! Collecting this fish here also. Oh, that is the another one. Oh ho, this one is a gorilla.
Cooking up the grub and stuffing up the hole.
Collecting this gorilla here. Next one. Oh, this one is a Superman. Collecting the Superman here. And there is the another one. Oh, this one is a very nice and beautiful crocodile. Collecting this crocodile here. And here is the another one. Oh, this one is another crocodile.
रोज रोज छोटे जीव खाकर मेरा पेट नहीं भरता। आज इस हिरन को अपना भोजन बनाता हूँ। यह
Collecting this crocodile. And here is the another one. Oh, what is this, guys? This one is a dragon. Collecting this dragon here. Next one and last one. Oh ho, this one is a octopus. Collecting this octopus here. So guys, here is all of animals collecting and introducing. So let's go for ending my video.
I'm the blue whale.